How to check transmission fluid without dipstick. Checking transmission fluid without a dipstick requires a different approach. Many newer vehicles employ sealed transmission systems that lack traditional dipsticks. To assess fluid level, you'll typically find an inspection plug on the transmission side. Ensure your car is on a level surface and the transmission fluid is at operating temperature. Then open the inspection plug. Fluid should slowly seep out. If no fluid emerges, the level is low. Be cautious not to overfill, as excess fluid can cause issues. For refilling, locate the fill plug, usually on top, and add fluid gradually, rechecking the inspection plug periodically. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions, as procedures can vary between vehicles. If you're unsure or uncomfortable, it's advisable to consult a professional mechanic. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.